Welcome back to Drawinfo channel. In today's tutorial we are going to animate this digital text 0 to 9. We are going to animate this in After Effects by manually, and then we will animate the same text into still 99, and after that we will animate the text into 999. Download this digital text from Freepik. So this is this URL. I'm going to paste this URL in my description and just downloaded this same text over here. Once you extract, you will get this kind of files inside this folder. So AI, EPS, JPG is available. I'm going to open this AI. So we need to organize our AI file before creating animation. So whenever you do any animation, make sure you do the plan for animation in any kind of tools, not even the After Effects. Animation require lot of planning and the strategy. If you do more planning, so your animation will be more simplest, even though you can do the complex animation with a very minimal and simple steps. So see, once I have opened this Illustrator file, you will get all this digit over here. So I'm just I need to organize all this text in top of each other, one top of others. So I'm going to do that first. Before aligning this, I'm just checking make all these things are inside the group or not. So just I'm checking that, so everything is inside group. So I'm going to select this and just going to take this into new layer, and I'm going to delete remaining layers because I don't want that layer into inside the After Effects. So now I have simply one layer. I have selected all the text. I'm going to align this into center. So now you see all the text is aligned into center, and I'm going to checking this sequence, all these things, layer sequence. I just want to take out all the layers outside of this for one master layer, because once we import this file in After Effects, we will get all the text into different layer. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to say release layer sequence over here. So now we have this all the digit outside our main layer panel. So we have this all the layers over here. Just we need to rename all these layers. So I'm going to give the one align this layer into by sequence. So I'm going to save this Illustrator file, and I'm going to just import this file into After Effects file. So I want all these thing compositions, and we have these compositions over here. So first thing what we need to do, we need to change the background color for our composition. So I'm going inside and changing the background into white. So now our background is white. I'm going to give FFFF for a background, and we have this sequence over here. Then I just want to change my composition setting. So I just want to make this into 200 by 200. So I'm going to change that, and then I'm going to check all this. Then next step is we are going to convert this all create to shaped from vector layer. So and we are going to delete this Illustrator because we have the vector shape in After Effects now into 1 second frame. So composition settings, and I'm going to change this into like 12 seconds. Now we have a 12-second compositions over here, and we are going to cut this into 1 second. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going need to cut exactly on the 1 second. So you see this cut point has to have in exactly on 1 second, otherwise that little bit lag will come, and when we are going to do the different animation like 9 to 99, then it will be create little bit overlap into each other. So now we need to paste this next to each other, all the layers. So now we have this. So just we need to check this all the ramp preview. So we have all these animations exactly the way we want. So 1 2 3 4 till the 0. So what I will do, I need to take this 0 in the beginning. So I'll take this into down, and I'll take this into beginning. And then I'll just so this is correct now. So now we have the text like 0 to 9 over here, and then we need to add this into the main comp. So before going to do that, I am going to convert all this into layer comp, because in the future when we replace this layer comp, the text will be replaced into respective text. Now we have 1 to 9 comp, and just we want to create a new comp for the create like 0 to 99 text. So I'm going to create this new composition. So I'm going to take this 1920 by 1080 HD size, and frame rate I'm keeping 30, in 20 as 1080, and I'll make it this into something like 2 minutes or 1 minute. So now I'm dragging all these things over here, just going to drag this digital text. So this is the, I'm going to check this is in comp, and I just want to take this over here. So we have these animations over here. So what we need to do, we need to repeat this animation as it is over here. So just I'm going to repeat all this text over here. So Control D, ten times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm going to delete this. So we have the 10 layer over here, 1 to 10 layers. Now we just similar way we need to place all the layer in front of each other. So we are going to do that. Just reducing. Now we need to just exactly align in the end of this composition. So I'm just doing the zoom in. So just next. Now just want to copy this, Control D, take it top the end, and so now we need to give time revamping to this, enable time revamping, and we need to adjust this into till the end. So then I'm going to drag this. This is our end point, and I'm going to just need to check exactly when out point is coming, the text is changing or not. See, once it is come 0, first one has to become. Trim the work area, and we need to ramp preview these animations. So still now we have recorded up to 99. So now we need to animate the triple 9 text animation. So I'm going to create the new composition. So 1920 by 1080, and I'll keep the 2-minute animations over here, and just going to take the first comb over here, and see we have this animation. So I just want to increase the quick text over here because of I just want this animation has to be finished in the I think so 10 second. Just want to zoom and exactly cut on the 10. So same way this animation will be, we need to check the ramp preview now. So quickly this animation is happening in the 10 section. So 99 it will go into 10 seconds. This similar way we need to duplicate all these things. Time 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 times repeated these things. So just want to take it over. Over there, and I think we are correct now. So see, our animation is to still 99, and then we need to add this digital text over here. Need to give, I think rather than taking this, we already have this text over here. We are going to copy this and paste it over here, and then it will give the same result for us. Only thing we need to position this. just the end you need to check. I'm just doing the zoom in over here exactly when it is still it will go into 99 or not. See, exactly it will come to 100 and then it is going, then it is coming to 99, 200. See, exactly correct. And then it will exact show you RAM preview for you. So thanks for watching my this YouTube tutorial. Be with me. I will come with this kind of tips and tricks for you to how you can animate anything in After Effects. Like whatever I am learning, that I'm going to teach you all up, guys. And the please make sure if you like this video, give 2 thumbs ups and the subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.